Asteroids pose a significant danger to Earth as a collision with one could result in a massive disaster for human life. While most asteroids that enter the Earth's atmosphere burn up and disintegrate before they reach the surface, some larger ones can cause significant damage. Our solar system is so huge that scientists encounter outer space objects almost every time. Some are potentially destructive. A recent update by NASA's asteroid tracking system says there will be 4 massive asteroid flybys this month. NASA also revealed the size and distance of the asteroids that will make their closest approach. First massive asteroid, also known as 2004 BH11, measures about 164 feet wide. According to NASA, this asteroid will come close to Earth on August 15. It will be traveling at a speed of over 8.9 kilometers per second. Another space rock known as 2011 QJ21 that's over 170 feet wide and traveling at a speed of over 15 kilometers per second. According to NASA, asteroid QJ21 would be flying approximately 5 million kilometers from the Earth on August 19, 2023. NASA JPL has classified 2011 QJ21 as a near-Earth asteroid due to its orbit's proximity to Earth. In 1988, a massive space rock known as 1988 EG was discovered. This size of this massive asteroid is approximately 1,310 feet. NASA JPL has classified 1988 EG as a potentially hazardous asteroid due to its predicted close passes with Earth. It's believed that the asteroid will come close to Earth on August 23. Another asteroid 2022 CR5 was discovered in 2022 and measures over 100 feet wide. It's expected to come close to Earth on August 29. It will be at a distance of about 3.7 million kilometers with a speed of 15.2 kilometers per second. Although all of these space rocks have been labeled as potentially hazardous, they will still be able to safely pass by Earth. NASA's Asteroid Watch dashboard regularly keeps track of asteroids and comets near the Earth and monitors each encounter. The agency provides details of every encounter, such as the date of the closest approach, estimated object diameter, relative size, and distance from Earth. NASA has labeled about 30,000 asteroids of all sizes, including over 850 that are more than 1 kilometer wide as near-Earth objects, NEOs, since they are in the vicinity of Earth but do not pose threat to our planet. NASA considers size and proximity when assessing the risk an asteroid poses and only considers an object a potential threat when it is larger than around 500 feet and will pass within around 4.6 million miles of Earth. Nonetheless, NASA's diligent Asteroid Watch continues to closely monitor and track asteroids approaching Earth in 2023 and beyond, ensuring we are pre-warned of any potential danger. Understanding and monitoring these celestial visitors not only helps protect our planet but also provides invaluable information about the origins and characteristics of our solar system.